Left, right hemisphere, intelligence and function ranking. Dermatoglyphics states that your fingers indicate your mind. Your 10 fingers denote 10 areas of the brain with regard to your capacities and capabilities, which influence your functioning as a human being. The right brain can be depicted in the left hand, and the left brain can be seen in the right hand. Each finger denotes a capacity, or we can say each finger is linked to a brain function. Each finger requires a score of 10% or above to be considered a dominance of that ability. A high score indicates a greater capacity, while a lower score indicates a weaker ability. Also, a ranking is given to understand the priority of one ability over the other, which shapes our capacities and abilities. The ranks of all those abilities which have a score equal to or above 10% are considered as important. Let us start with the left hand controlled by the right brain. The left thumb signifies leadership and the ability to be objective driven, having intuition and act with response to a goal. A score of about 10 indicates you are a person who likes to socialize and are spontaneous. It reveals that you like to deal with people and are motivated to action in a group based on the inputs given by people. The left index finger reveals imagination, idea formation, visualization, 3D, self-expectations, and most important, self-confidence. A dominance here shows your ability to form logical thought process, visualize and imagine. You form ideas about something, you think it through, you plan accordingly, and this brings up the understanding of ability to perform, which increases confidence levels. Self-confidence is also estimated here. The middle finger on the left hand reveals large muscle flexibility and your control over body movement. It also reveals your ability to integrate sensory information and form eye-body coordination and artistic abilities. Physical health, capacity and ability with areas like dance, choreography, military, sports and games can also be seen here. You have the ability to use your body to perform such tasks. The left ring finger shows your music appreciation, your ability to perceive tone, pitch, rhythm, emotion, feeling, sensitivity, and sensibility. This indicates that you have high auditory discriminatory ability of how people talk. You are so sensitive to the moods of a person through their speech. You are also good with discriminating sounds, that you can identify and discriminate sounds from outside the house, a lizard falling on the floor, even a whisper or a murmur, catching people when they lie, etc. The left little finger shows your ability to have graphical imagery and to visually perceive images. You have the capability to be sharp in the perception of images and to be sensitive to visual cues. You love to look at aesthetically well-designed environment. The right hand is controlled by the left brain is now discussed. The right thumb indicates management capabilities of an individual, planning, decisiveness, logical rationalization, and ability to self-reflect. A dominance score indicates that you are a person who is able to manage situations by using logic and reasoning. You use logic in order to think, plan, and decide. The right index finger shows an individual's ability towards calculated analysis, logical rationalization, and vocabulary control. Dominance here shows your capability to form associations and draw logical conclusions about a situation, and it also reveals your ability to speak in that logical manner and to come to logical, rational solutions. You are adept at talking the right words in the right manner to the right people. The right middle finger reveals the capability of manual dexterity and finger control. You are adept at using fingers to draw, art and craft. You even possess the essential quality of a surgeon during operations. You are also good at action sequencing. That is, you are good at performing tasks in a manner which you know what comes first and what follows after it. And this understanding makes you good at logical, step-by-step approach that makes everything appear simple. The right ring finger denotes the ability of a person to use auditory capacity, which influences language understanding, phonics, hearing identification, and auditory memory. You are a person who remembers what people say and details of words and conversations spoken long ago. Though this ability is a strength, too much information in your auditory memory may not be beneficial. The right little finger shows an individual's visual identification. Here, the visual identification capability, the reading ability, observation, concentration, and sensibility in reading is seen. It indicates your ability to be observant to minute details and are very sharp to judge due to your ability to see with precision.